Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Mubert AI. In order to do so, first off, head to Mubert.com. And once you're there, then here you're going to find the option to enter in a prompt or upload an image. Now, as far as the upload goes, I'm not entirely, okay, so I guess this is the image upload here. I'm not entirely sure why you would want to upload an image. Maybe you just want it to go along with the song that you're creating. I suppose that's it. But then as far as entering in the prompt goes, one of the things that you'll find with Mubert is that it doesn't appear to allow you to create lyrics. It seems as though you can only create instrumentals. Now, if there is an option for that somewhere, I'm not finding it. So I can only assume that it just creates instrumentals. So you could type in whatever you want there, or you can choose from genres, moods, and activities. Now you can only choose one. So if you go to genres, let's say we'll select chill hop here, then you can see that now that shows up here. But if we go over to moods and let's say we want calm, then you'll see now that it's going to switch to moods, calm music, calm. Activities, same idea. If we select charming, then that clears it out. So you can only choose one at a time. You can't use multiple prompts or genres, moods, activities. So let's just go ahead and we'll select chill hop here. And I went ahead and generated something already. One of the neat things about Mubert is that you can set your duration and you can go from up to 5 seconds to 25 minutes. So I would say that Mubert is probably better for instrumentals, for like product ads and things like that, or maybe if you're doing something that's a bit longer, maybe a podcast or a movie of some sort, and you want to add some instrumentals to that, then you can use Mubert for that. You can go up to 25 minutes, so that's not too bad. Let's go ahead and take a listen to the generated track.
Mubert.
So you can hear for yourself, the results are not bad. However, you have this kind of vocal watermark that shows up in the middle of the song. So unless you go with premium, and unless you're okay with that, just random Mubert in the middle of your song, it kind of seems difficult to use something like this. I mean, it's kind of neat, but it's also quite limited in what it's capable of. Let's take a look at the pricing. The other thing is, I do feel that the pricing is a bit of a barrier of entry as well. For the base subscription, you're looking at about $12 a month. And, you know, this is for something that can pretty much only do instrumentals. It can't do lyrics. Now, if you're fine with that, what, you know, the thing that I would say about Mubert that does stand out is the fact that you can go up to 25 minutes. That is a specific thing to point out. With other platforms like Suno or Refusion, you are limited to some degree. Now with Suno, you can extend your songs and you could do the same thing with Refusion as well, but I'm not sure that you could get up to 25 minutes without having a degradation of quality. I find with Suno that if you do too many extensions at some point, the quality suffers. Now you can kind of get around that a little bit with Suno by doing a replace. You can kind of replace a section. So that can really help with some of those sections where things don't turn out the way that you want or the quality dips down. But the main thing with Mubert to take into consideration is the fact that it does go up to 25 minutes. That is the selling point. But aside from that, you're not going to be able to do anything for free without having that vocal watermark in the middle of it. So you could play around with it, you could try it out, but you're not going to be able to get anything really usable unless you actually pay for the subscription. Now, you know, there are other platforms that actually provide you with some free credits that you can play around with, but it doesn't seem like Mubert gives that. But I would say the main thing with Mubert is that it can go up to 25 minutes. So if you're looking to get some music for a specific project where you're going to need something that's more than a few seconds or more than a few minutes, then you might want to consider Mubert. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as discount code SkillCraft60 to get 60% off Sintra AI, and links to Cider AI and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.